Ajit Kumar hits and flops all movies list up to Vidamuyarchi. Number 1 N Veedu N Kanavar released in 1990 flop. Number 2 Amaravati released in 1993 hit. Number 3 Prema Pustakam released in 1993 flop. Number 4 Pasam Alargal released in 1994 flop. Number 5 Pavitra released in 1994 flop. Number 6 Rajavin Paraiyile released in 1995 flop. Number 7 Asai released in 1995 hit. Number 8 Vanmati released in 1996 hit. Number 9 Kalluri Vasal released in 1996 flop. Number 10 Minor Mappilai released in 1996 flop. Number 11 Kadal Kottai released in 1996 blockbuster. Number 12 Nesam released in 1997 flop. Number 13 Rasi released in 1997 flop. Number 14 Ullasam released in 1997 flop. Number 15 Pagaivan released in 1997 flop. Number 16 Rettai Jedi Vayasu released in 1997 flop. Number 17 Kadal Mannan released in 1998 super hit. Number 18 Aval Varuvala released in 1998 hit. Number 19 Unnidathil Ennai Koduthen released in 1998 super hit. Number 20 Uirode Uiraga released in 1998 flop. Number 21 Todaram released in 1999 flop. Number 22 Unnai Thedi released in 1999 hit. Number 23 Vali released in 1999 blockbuster. Number 24 Ananta Pungatre released in 1999 hit. Number 25 Amar Kalam released in 1999 blockbuster. Number 26 Nee Varuvai Yana released in 1999 hit. Number 27 Mugavari released in 2000 hit. Number 28 Kandu Kondain released in 2000 super hit. Number 29 Unnai Kodu Ennai Tharuven released in 2000 flop. Number 30 Deena released in 2001 blockbuster. Number 31 Citizen released in 2001 hit. Number 32 Poovellam Unvasam released in 2001 super hit. Number 33 Asoka released in 2001 hit. Number 34 Red released in 2002 flop. Number 35 Raja released in 2002 flop. Number 36 Villain released in 2002 super hit. Number 37 Ennai Talatta Varuvala released in 2003 flop. Number 38 Anjaneya released in 2003 flop. Number 39 Jana released in 2004 flop. Number 40 Attagasam released in 2004 hit. Number 41 G released in 2005 flop. Number 42 Paramasivan released in 2006 flop. Number 43 Tirupati released in 2006 flop. Number 44 Varalaru released in 2006 blockbuster. Number 45 Alvar released in 2007 disaster. Number 46 Kiridam released in 2007 hit. Number 47 Billa released in 2007 blockbuster. Number 48 Egan released in 2008 flop. Number 49 Asal released in 2010 flop. Number 50 Mankatha released in 2011 blockbuster. Number 51 Billa 2 released in 2012 flop. Number 52 English Winglish released in 2012 blockbuster. Number 53 Arambam released in 2013 super hit. Number 54 Veeram released in 2014 super hit. Number 55 Ennai Arindal released in 2015 super hit. నంబర్ 56 వెదలం రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2015 బ్లాక్ బస్టర్. నంబర్ 57 వివేగం రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2017 యావరేజ్. నంబర్ 58 విశ్వాసం రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2019 బ్లాక్ బస్టర్. నంబర్ 59 నేర్కొండ పార్వై రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2019 బ్లాక్ బస్టర్. నంబర్ 60 వలిమై రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2022 హిట్. నంబర్ 61 తునీవు రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2023 బ్లాక్ బస్టర్. నంబర్ 62 విడాముయర్చి. ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రన్ అవుతుందన్నమాట.